how to swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom wallet. So in order to swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom wallet, you just have to follow the simple steps. So for that, you need to go and log in into your Phantom wallet account. When you're logged in, that's going to directly take you to the home page. So from the home page, this is how it's going to look like. On this page, go to the swap section, and right on this page, go ahead and select Solana to Ethereum. So when you've actually selected that, you need to go ahead and mention or enter the exact amount. When you enter the exact amount, click on continue or proceed to the next step, and then you need to select the chain you like, token you like to receive. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the next field where you have to go and review all of the terms and conditions, and with that you'll have successfully swapped Solana to Ethereum on Phantom wallet. So that is how you can swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.